Hey, welcome to another episode of Diycarmodz. I'm Jeff, and today I'm going to be swapping out the turn signal light on the side view mirror with this sequential smoke turn signal assembly right here. Now, in order to gain access to the factory turn signal indicator right here, you do have to remove the glass and also the back cover. Now, you can either go ahead and remove the entire side view mirror away from the vehicle, or you can do it while it's still attached to the vehicle. It's a little bit easier if you do remove the side view mirror. However, it does require you then to remove the inside door panel so then you can unclip the harness for the side view mirror that's located behind the door panel. Now, I already did a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove the entire side view mirror assembly along with the glass and also the back cover right here on a separate video. So I'll link them in the video description below, so check it out if you need help with those. So the first step is to remove the glass. And then remove the outer cover. Again, I have detailed video on how to remove this, so check out the video link below. And then I just have to remove the cap. There is a clip that's located in here. I just have to take this, put it in there to pry out. And now you have access to the turn signal indicator assembly. It's only held on by 2 screws, one here and one right there. It's a T15. And then simply take this out. And then take the new one and install it back. And put the screw in here and put the screw in the bottom right here. Nothing goes up there or here, just this one and this one. All right, so there you go. Now, if you run into issue with hooking it back up to the wire harness, here is the original pin inside the assembly. You see it's in the bottom. Now, this one was on top, and so I had to push down the pins a little bit lower so that it can clip back into the harness. I didn't have this issue on the passenger side, but on the driver's side, when I tried to plug it back into the harness wouldn't go in very easily or snap all the way in. And the reason was because the pins was not lined up like the stock one right here. All right, so here is a quick demo of the new side mirror indicator lights. These are sequential turn signal lights. And they do make them for other vehicles as well, not just Honda Accord, but they make it for the Fit, the CR-V, HR-V, and some other make and model as well. I'll have the product link in the description below, so check it out. It is much brighter compared to stock, and the color is actually amber. It matches the front turn signal as well. All right, so that was a procedure on how to replace this indicator light on your 9th gen Honda Accord. Now the procedure will be the same for the passenger side. Only thing different is that there will be one additional harness that you have to unplug and one additional screw because of the lane watch camera. All right, if you have any other questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.